resort is just a hotel on a beach, right? What makes resorts different?
They could have been considered that many years ago, but they're much more than that these days. Now, aside from being next to great beaches, in the mountains, at a ski resort, in the countryside, at a safari park, it's really about a special relationship with nature. The real definition, though, is about whether a property is primarily for leisure or primarily for business.
What sort of unique challenges then does that present to owners?
You know, these days a resort is more and more about the total experience and a little bit of recreation. But that experience of the culture, the food, the entire environment, the relationship with nature, an owner has got to think that create something that goes beyond simply the location, but to create the total experience.
And in practical terms, what's that mean?
Well, it means that the entire team needs to understand that from the very start of the creation process. There's a much greater chance that the project can create that total experience for the guest.
And for international hotel operators, what sort of unique challenges then do they have?
I think there's continues to be a challenge of understanding the local community.
And what about technical aspects? Are there technical issues that are unique to the resorts?
Well, certainly the most, one of the most obvious differences is in materials, in trying to build with materials that can stand up to nature. Fail to appreciate what materials can stand up to sun, can stand up to salt, air can stand up to wind, rain, and all the rest of it.
Are there other technical aspects?
But there is a lot more, there's a lot of modern technology that can provide these things effectively, space effectively, and cost effectively.
So what do you, with White Walls, bring to resort projects?
I think what I've just described could be seen as critically trying to find the balance between the art and science of hospitality, trying to create environments that really commune with nature, are technically sound and can sustain and maintain themselves, but create a special environment. And I think the experience I've had throughout resort regions around the world can support that process.